Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. What a week we had. We just experienced a worst week in February since financial crisis. The stock market crashed so hard that no one can even find a bottom. Dow Jones lost more than 3,500 points in a single week. Fear of coronavirus, global pandemic, fear of global economic recession due to the coronavirus, plus fear of this year's election results, make people dumping stocks like never seen before. Even the institutional professionals were trying to get out of the profitable positions last week, desperately trying to protect their gains. There was a survey held by Wall Street last week asking if anyone was selling at a loss due to fear. Unfortunately, 25% of people answered yes. For those of you who's new to my channel, this channel is about easy wealth building, how to grow your money, how to retire wealthy, and how to retire early. So feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. It will help the algorithm. Also, if you want me to subscribe you back, please write in the comment section you just subscribed to me and then you have a channel wanted me to support. I will do so immediately. Without any further ado, let's dive right in. Fear of unknown is always a lot more worse than the event itself. If we only know the end result of coronavirus, if we only know when we will find a cure for it, or even if we can start to mass produce the vaccine that can be used for general population in the entire world, we may not be having that much fear. For now, what do we do as individual stock market investors? I have already made a video game plan during stock market crash. So the last week of February, I did, as I have said in that video, to generate cash flow as fast as I can. The way I generate cash is not from selling long-term holdings. I generate my cash by short-term trading stocks, ETFs or ETNs that goes opposite to the market downturns. For those of you who don't know me, I'm both a long-term dividend investor and a short-term trader. I use the profit from short-term tradings to fuel my long-term investments. So far, my overall yearly dividends are already just past $8,000 or about $670 per month, and I keep adding fresh cash to it and then reinvest all my dividends back. I use E-Trade to help me to do all the day trades and swing trades. E-Trade is a full-service online broker. The trading hours are very favorable to a trader like me. It is from 7 a.m. until 8 p.m. on every weekly trading days. Unlike Robinhood, I think it's only from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. M1 Finance is only has two trading windows for the Plus members and one trading window in the morning for the regular members. Usually it's at 10 a.m. and one at 3 p.m. So it's impossible for active traders. It is for long-term, gradually buying fractional share dividend investors. I have 3 accounts over there, so I just give them an order, but they will do the auto buying for me to save a lot of time so I can concentrate on trading on the E-Trade. So E-Trade, the platform is very user-friendly. It can offer multiple charts on one screen, like you can have as many of 16 charts, I think. All right, I have 2 because I don't need that many eyeballs to see. And also it offers level 1, level 2, and level 3 for professional traders. It's also good for me too to look at it. It will tell you exactly at what time, how many trades orders at what price, and then it will, on the level 3 it will show you executing price and then also the high and low prices, and then in between you can give a 0.01 cent order to buying in advance in case the bid and ask is having a big gap. And it will show you the summary page, tell you how many bid size is there and how many ask size is there. And then it has total 6 pages. You can simultaneously having it while you trade, so it gives you a lot of room for you to put in all the requests you have. Like on this page I have the watch list, and it also automatically has the market movers from different trading platforms, from Chicago, Nasdaq, New York, Pacific, Philadelphia, and then it has a row of 25, so you can trace market movers. Every window like that, it can be enlarged, like this, and then reduced like this. So it's very functional. I really love it. Most profit I made this week from E-Trade is from my taxable account from 24th to 28th. Total gain was about $10,887.66. These are all realized gains. These are from my buying and selling securities. Commissions are free when you're buying, but when you sell, they do have to pay. E-Trade do have to pay the fees to the market makers. So this is the total charge of the fees. I mainly trade CME, DGAS, DRIP, Gilead, mRNA, Tesla, TVIX, and Zoom. DGAS is opposite to natural gas. When natural gas goes down, DGAS goes up. And then DRIP is opposite to oil downtrend. Oil went down so much last week, so DRIP is the one I traded a lot. CME is only a few stocks that are holding up so well, so I traded a few times. TVIX is the volatility index. When the market going down so much, volatility going up, so TVIX also going up, so I traded. And Zoom video is because during the coronavirus fear time, a lot of people choose to work from home, and Zoom video have lots of connections with big companies and hospitals, so Zoom videos also going up so well, so I traded with Zoom video. I made a small profit for my Roth IRA last week from 24th to 28th, trading stocks, DRIP, and Tesla ones, $716.62. It's tax-free money. It's realized gain, but it is tax-free money. Besides my active trading earnings from last week, I also made about $58.25 from fully paid lending program at E-Trade, which they only offer to Roth IRA and rollover IRA account holders. And I made a small dividend, few small dividend earnings from E-Trade as well, about $18.56. I made about $104.21 actual dividend payout from M1 Finance for the week, which I'm very happy about it. And then in the meantime, I spent about $1,600 each account, which I have 3 accounts, total about $4,800 to invest. When the market went down, I use dollar cost averaging method to buy the shares at lower prices. Total paper loss at M1 Finance is about $8,610.31. As you can see, even with the large paper loss like that, my active earning plus my passive earning still greater than the paper loss. So when there is a fear in the market, I choose to face everything and rise instead of forget everything and run. And even worse, somebody just panic and sell. I don't do that. Even next week coming, I don't know what market will go. Seems like on Monday, it probably will turn around. Probably will already hit the bottom, but nobody will know until the market open. Let's face it. Usually the bull market lasts only 4.5 years. This time, our bull market lasted almost more than 10 years. So we're way overdue for an correction. At this time, our market go downtrend for just about 1 week. A lot of people panicked. A lot of people panic and sell. It's not an option for long-term investors. We must stick with our original plan. Look for long-term gain instead of short-term loss, and then use dollar cost averaging method to keep our portfolio at a very healthy averaging price. If you liked today's video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share the video with whoever you think will be benefit from today's video. And also do not forget to smash that notification bell so you'll be the first one to know when my new video comes out. Thank you.